process.
Got it.
चलो आज हम लोग कर रहे हैं सेक्शन 171 एंड 172. प्रीता हमारे साथ है. प्रीता शुरू करो.
Members' right to inspect. The register kept under subsection 1 of section 170 shall be open for inspection during business hours, and the members shall have a right to take extracts therefrom and copies thereof on a request by the members, be provided to them free of cost within 30 days, and shall also be kept open for inspection at every annual general meeting of the company, and shall be made accessible to any person attending the meeting. Hello.
बोलो.
So subsection 1 पढ़ लिया.
क्या कह रहा है
कि जो 170 के अंदर रजिस्टर देखी हमने, it will be
Register of
open
directors and shareholders.
directors and KMP. It will be open for inspection by any member during business hours, and any extracts from the register can be given to the member upon his request.
आराम से पढ़ो. देखो सुनो. Register kept under so and so shall be open for inspection. तो open for inspection during business hour को बोल्ड करो. फिर members को बोल्ड करो. फिर right to take extract को बोल्ड करो. फिर copies thereof on request be provided. एक साथ.
On request by members be provided. ठीक है.
Free of cost.
Within 30 days.
ठीक है. Open for inspection at general meeting AGM. And shall be made accessible to any person attending the meeting. ठीक है. Accessible to any person.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. तो पहले ऊपर लिख लो इसको. 1 में members have right to inspect, right to extract, right to take extracts from register of directors, which is to be kept open at registered office for inspection during business hours. ठीक है. तो कंपनी अगर राइट मूव लिमिटेड
एग्जांपल राइट मूव लिमिटेड
ऑफिस आ रहे हैं 9 to 6.
office hours
9 to 6. So anybody can inspect during this time without any prior notice. So it has to be kept open. Any अभी anybody की जगह लिखो member.
Yes.
Okay.
ठीक है.
इसी के नीचे नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखो on application to be provided copies dash free of cost dash
within 30 days.
within 30 days.
ठीक है.
Structure to be kept open.
Next one, register to be kept open
during AGM. and inspection by anybody, accessible to anybody attending the meeting.
Accessible anybody attending the meeting.
मीटिंग में कौन कौन अटेंड कर लेता है? प्रोक्सी अटेंड कर लेता है, डायरेक्टर अटेंड कर लेते हैं, ऑडिटर अटेंड करते हैं, तो ये सब लोग कर सकते हैं। लेकिन ऊपर जो रजिस्टर्ड ओवर ऑफिस में है वो सिर्फ मेंबर्स के लिए।
मेंबर्स, ठीक। Subsection 2. If any inspection as provided in clause A of subsection 1 is refused, or if any copy required under that clause is not sent within 30 days from the date of receipt of such request, the registrar shall, on an application made to him, order immediate inspection and supply of copies required thereunder.
ठीक है, अभी ऊपर आओ। ठीक है, मेंबर एक्स जो है वो X refused inspection for copy.
Or copies.
Dash to approach ROC. Dash ROC to order immediate inspection and furnishing of copy.
Order immediate inspection and furnishing of copies. ठीक है।
Penalty.
172. If a company is in default in complying with any of the provisions of this chapter, and for which no specific penalty or punishment is provided therein, the company and every officer of the company who is in default shall be liable to a penalty of 50,000 rupees, and in case of continuing failure, with a further penalty of 500 rupees for each day during which such failure continues, subject to a maximum of 3 lakh rupees in case of a company and 1 lakh rupees in case of an officer who is in default.
ठीक है, चलो ऊपर जाओ। ठीक है, सेक्शन 172। ठीक है, पेनल्टी। ठीक है, फर्स्ट लिखो राइट मूव लिमिटेड, नीचे लिखो CS ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट।
इन डिफॉल्ट।
ठीक है, ऊपर लिखो राइट मूव लिमिटेड के आगे 50,000 रुपीज प्लस 500 पर डे। 500 है 1000?
500 है सर।
ठीक है,
कंटिन्यू पर डे, यस, 100 पर डे,
मैक्सिमम ऑफ 3 lakhs। सेम नीचे कॉपी करो, मैक्सिमम ऑफ 1 lakh।
मैक्स ऑफ 1
lakh। इसके नीचे लिखो
हाँ,
फॉर कॉन्ट्रावेंशन ऑफ सेक्शन 149 to 170। ठीक है,
yes,
where no specific penalty provided under the section। ठीक है, अब समराइज कर दो फटाफट ये 171 172।
So 171 states that any register which has been maintained under section 170, such register can be inspected by any member, or extracts of the register can be taken by any member. And this register is to be kept at registered office for inspection during business hours. So any time during business hours, only a member has the right to inspect and take copies free of cost. The company has to provide such copies within 30 days. This register also has to be kept open during an annual general meeting of the company, and any person present and attending the meeting, be it a proxy or director, auditor or members, have the right to inspect such register. If a member is refused to inspect the register or is not provided with any copies, he can approach the ROC and ROC will order the immediate inspection and furnishing of any copies. Section 172 talks about penalties. In case a section provides for a specific penalty, then penalty will be levied as per that section. But if no penalty is provided, then as per section 172, company will be levied a penalty of 50,000 rupees plus 500 rupees per day, subject to a maximum of 3 lakh rupees. An officer who is in default will be levied 50,000 rupees plus 500 rupees per day, subject to a maximum of 1 lakh rupees. Sir, the officer in default has to be only CS? Sir, officer in default CS ही होता है?
CS, डायरेक्टर, MD.
हाँ CS तो डायरेक्टर MD ना.
MD से शुरू होता है ना, MD CS, फिर अगर नहीं है तो डायरेक्टर्स. ठीक है, उसकी डेफिनेशन है. MD के बाद
एक मिनट, डेफिनेशन. Officer in default. Companies Act preliminary section 2. An officer in default. So section 260. For the purpose of any provision in this act, enacts that any officer of the company who is in default shall be liable to a penalty or punishment of imprisonment or fine, or otherwise means any of the following officers of the company, namely WTD, KMP, or where there is no KMP, such director or director specified by the board in this behalf. ठीक है, इसकी पूरी definition दी है सर इधर.
हाँ पढ़ो. पहला WTD, उसके नीचे KMP नहीं है तो जो डायरेक्टर स्पेसिफाइड है उसने अपनी कंसेंट दी हो. अगर नहीं है कोई भी तो सारे डायरेक्टर ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट. फिर एनी पर्सन अंडर द इमीडिएट अथॉरिटी ऑफ बोर्ड एनी KMP इज चार्ज विद, जो बोर्ड से नीचे है KMP जिसको अकाउंट्स के लिए ऑथराइज किया हो, जिसकी इंस्ट्रक्शन से बोर्ड काम करता हो. डायरेक्टर हु इज अवेयर कि उसके कारण अवेयर ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रावेंशन. और शेयर ट्रांसफर का इशू होगा तो शेयर ट्रांसफर एजेंट, रजिस्ट्रार एंड मर्चेंट बैंकर, ये 7 कैटेगरी जो है ऑफिसर इन डिफॉल्ट होते हैं. तो कौन से केस में क्या एप्लीकेबल है वैसे चलता है. ठीक है, करें बंद.
यस सर, ठीक है.